Good morning, Bali lovers. I just arrived to the Desa Penglipuran. Today is the Galungan special celebration for all Balinese people. Happy Galungan and Hajin Galungan to every my Balinese friends. And meanwhile, especially for you, I wake up early morning, come here because this is one of the best places in Bali what you can see and celebrate Galungan. Also, I will show you so many beautiful pictures, people making a picture, so many tourists also coming here, but also it's so many local Balinese people everywhere around, so that's very nice. I hope so you will enjoy today's vlog. I didn't have a coffee this morning yet, so that's a big commitment. Look at this beautiful ladies carry the stuff, kids walking. It's so beautiful, isn't it? And the beautiful penjors. And quickly, if you would like to know what is Galungan, Galungan is the celebration of victory, good things against the bad things, and the penjor, which is this beautiful bamboo sticks everywhere around, that's the symbol of dragon. This is like a quick explanation in 15 seconds. So the local people from these villages, and I think maybe from other villages also, but definitely from this, all of them going from the top, from the one temple to another on the bottom. And meanwhile, this is the penjors, beautiful penjors, which is the simply bamboo sticks with the decorations. This is the symbol of dragon. And this is little bit like a Christmas in Bali, like Christmas tree in Bali. And look at this very small Balinese boy. Hello. A little bit shy. Beautiful, isn't it? Let's go more to the center. There is much more life around. So many local people. Also so many photographers and probably other vloggers today around. So many kids making pictures. So that's very serious thing. Well, like I said, probably the best spot for today's video regarding Galungan. Here is some local people. That's also nice. That's good one. That's actually epic. I will have a little walk here, just to enjoy the balanced, peaceful life of Balinese people. Balanced life, because, well, obviously, if you don't know, somehow Balinese religion, Hindu, is very balanced and very unique to compare to the rest of the world. So it's nice to show you a little bit today here. Also, Desa Penglipuran is the part of UNESCO program, and they are everywhere on the left and on the right. They are local houses. There will be serious operation flying. I also wanna fly, so I hope so we're not gonna crash today later on. Meanwhile, hello. Meanwhile, I just wanna have a quick walk with you, with me, to the top of the village. And yeah, it's beautiful here. We've been here vlogging 2 times. Once about half year ago with Winnie, but without any celebrations around. And I've been here also exactly last year at that time. Unfortunately, last year at that time, the village was closed due to the current things, you know. So they didn't let me to get in, and I couldn't see what's going on. And obviously I've been also previous years before I even been vlogger, YouTuber. But today, especially for you. And that's how it is. Beautiful, but I think it's still pretty quiet to compare to the previous years. Obviously, situation is how it is. Also, the penjors, which is this bamboo sticks, they are a little bit smaller and not that rich as previous years. But also, this is because of the, well, economical situation in here in Bali and everywhere around the world is not that. But this is still symbolic and still beautiful. So I show you today beautiful village, local Balinese village. This village, some of you may remember as a tourist place, but there is no tourists anymore in Bali. I'm probably only the one for. I saw actually one lady here, and I think that's it. Anyway, I put a little bit of the local music and show a little bit beauty of the Galungan celebration in Bali. For everyone who missed cultural, religious things from Bali, this is special vlog for you, dedicated for you. Meanwhile, I will go home and I will see you as always tomorrow.